I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Sentra versus the Toyota Altis. We'll dive into their key differences, helping you decide which compact sedan best fits your lifestyle. First, let's look at what's under the hood. The Sentra often comes with a 2.0-liter engine giving you 149 horsepower. The Altis usually has a 1.8-liter engine offering 139 horsepower. Both are designed for efficient, comfortable daily driving. Moving inside, both the Sentra and Altis prioritize comfort and technology. The Sentra often presents a more driver-centric cockpit with available premium materials. The Altis, on the other hand, typically provides a spacious and airy cabin, known for its intuitive layout. You'll find standard features like touchscreen displays and smartphone integration in both, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. When it comes to safety and peace of mind, both sedans perform admirably. The Nissan Sentra often comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assist features, helping to prevent accidents. The Toyota Altis has a long-standing reputation for exceptional reliability and low maintenance costs over time. Both models consistently earn high marks in independent crash safety evaluations, providing confidence for you and your passengers. Ultimately, choosing between the Sentra and Altis depends on your priorities. The Sentra often provides excellent value with its standard features and stylish design. The Altis is a strong contender for those prioritizing long-term reliability and strong resale value. Both are fantastic compact sedans, offering comfort, efficiency, and modern tech. Whichever you choose, you're getting a dependable vehicle. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.